Hi guys. Napakatugnaw po dito. Tignan niyo po yung mga habol namin. Ito po yung habol namin. Tawi lang po.
Malamig pala sa Alaska.
Malamig. Claveria pa lang to ah. Hindi pa to sa Alaska. Ito po yung mga kasamahan namin. Yung paa namin. Ito, walang medyas. Sobrang lamig. Buti sa kanila may hoodie. Sa akin po, kalo lang po. Anong matatabang nito?
Halo na siya, may lakad. Pag matadil, subakod.
So update ko lang kayo guys kung bubukas pa kami. Mag-ingat po kayo dyan. Ingatan nyo kami guys.
Pray for us. Pray for us.
Pray for us.
Have you ever dreamed of escaping the noise, of leaving behind the chaos, and finding a hidden gem where time slows down and the soul breathes again? Let me take you there, to a place you didn't know you were missing. Romualdez Vacation House, Claveria's best-kept secret. Nestled in the heart of Claveria, Misamis Oriental, where the mountains kiss the sky and the fog whispers secrets through the trees, lies a sanctuary like no other. Romualdez Vacation House is not just a place. It's a feeling. Imagine waking up to cool mountain air, coffee in hand, wrapped in a soft blanket as the morning mist dances just beyond your window. Birds singing, trees swaying, peace, real, undisturbed peace. This is not your typical vacation spot. This is where memories are made, family reunions by the fire, barcada nights filled with laughter, solo retreats that finally give your mind the reset it's been begging for. Whether you're escaping the city or looking for a new adventure, Romualdez is where hearts reconnect, with nature, with loved ones, and most importantly, with yourself. With cozy, thoughtfully designed interiors, breathtaking views, and an atmosphere that feels like home, Romualdez Vacation House offers more than accommodation. It offers an experience, spacious rooms, a view deck that captures every sunrise, gardens kissed by the fog, and nights that make you believe in magic again. This is your pause, your reset button, your home in the Highlands. And the best part? It's just a scenic drive away, so close to home, yet a world apart. Why wait for the perfect time? Claveria is calling. The mountains are waiting. And Romualdez, it's ready to welcome you. Don't just take our word for it. Come and see the magic for yourself. Book your stay at Romualdez Vacation House in Claveria, Misamis Oriental today. And while you're here, don't forget to follow, like, and share this video to spread the word. Let's help more people discover this beautiful escape. Romualdez is more than a vacation. It's where stories begin.